Hi, hello, and welcome, guys. Hope everyone is doing good. This is Premi Atvik. Before that, if you guys are new here, join to the Unbox community. So today we are going to see to improve our knowledge. So for improving our knowledge, we need to learn few things in a day-to-day life. So which is Medium. So Medium is a blog writing platform. We can able to read and post our own blogs. So using the reading the blogs, we can able to gain lot of knowledge. So this Medium platform is only not for the educational purpose. This is having the poetry, society, mental health, money, relationship, writing, technology, self improvement, programming. Lot of things we are having on. So this is the current trending one. We guys should read the blog using this. So next, so why we are doing the video now? So it's allowing to read only the free blogs. For reading the membership blogs, it's asking us to make a member. So for making a member, we need to pay a lot of money in every month. So we can able to see the membership here. So this is the membered post they have posting on, so we can able to read the blog, but so in between they are asking us to upgrade our plan. So for upgrade it's asking us lot of money. So this tip is only to view the upgraded plan without having any plans. So we can able to read the blog without having any plans. This is mainly for poor people. So you can able to see, rate for a member we need to pay 5 USD per month, for 15 USD per month for select. So this is the thing. So today we are going to see without making any payment we can able to read how to read this blog. Make a secret of it. Go to the open the same Medium platform in a Chrome. If you don't have any account, please create an account in a Medium. Open in a Chrome. Just do a search for Medium parser extension. Go through the first link. Okay, so in this first link we can able to see the preview, and then they have given an overview. Read Medium based article for free, access Medium membership article for free with the Medium parser browser extension. So this is the one. They have given the source code and donation link. So just add this to your Chrome. I have added the same. Okay, I think it's done. So once this is done, just refresh the screen. Yes, you can able to see few things are happening in the right side. So which is open in catch. So this is the free one. We can open the paid membership block. So as we see in the making relationship work as an article, this is a paid membership block. We can't able to read. For reading this, we need to upgrade this plan. So I'm just clicking the first one, open in Chrome catch. The same one is opening here. Yes, we can able to read the content. We have bypassed this. So this is the major one we have done. We can able to read the paid membership block without making any payment. So this is mainly for the poor people to learn lot of things. So this one help us to learn lot of things. I thinking so. Please make use of it. Just share to your friends. Do subscribe. So membership getting free is the most important thing. Using this, we can learn lot of things, make a use of it, achieve it what you are working on. Hope you guys learned many things today. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please do a subscribe.